Ever pondered the magic that propels your car forward? The heart of the matter lies within that intricate piece of engineering artistry, the internal combustion engine. With a legacy spanning over a century, it's the powerhouse that has been driving our automobiles and shaping transportation. Today, we delve into the inner workings of this marvel and illuminate the processes that make an engine tick. The internal combustion engine operates on two primary principles: combustion, the controlled explosion of a fuel-air mixture, and reciprocation, the rhythmic dance of pistons moving back and forth. At the heart of the engine lies the cylinder block, typically a sturdy structure of cast iron or aluminum. This block cradles the cylinders and serves as the engine's backbone. Inside these cylinders we find pistons, cylindrical components that move up and down in response to the combustion process. Next, we meet the crankshaft, a rotating shaft resting at the bottom of the engine. It's the wizard that transforms the linear motion of the pistons into rotational motion, a mechanism that ultimately drives the vehicle's wheels. The camshaft, a close associate of the crankshaft, governs the opening and closing of the engine's intake and exhaust valves. Through cam lobes that press against the valve stems, it regulates the timing of the engine's dance. Valves are the gatekeepers of the engine. They control the ebb and flow of air and fuel into the cylinders and oversee the expulsion of exhaust gases. We typically find two types: intake valves and exhaust valves. Now let's uncover the magic of the four-stroke cycle, also known as the Otto cycle. This dance consists of four phases: intake, compression, power, and exhaust. During the intake phase, the intake valve opens and the piston descends, creating a vacuum that pulls in a precise mixture of air and fuel. Once the piston reaches the bottom, the intake valve closes and the piston ascends, compressing the air-fuel mixture within the cylinder. This is the compression phase. Then comes the power phase. As the piston reaches the top, the spark plug ignites the compressed air-fuel mixture. This controlled explosion drives the piston downward with force, generating mechanical energy. Finally, in the exhaust phase, the exhaust valve opens and the piston ascends once more, pushing the burnt gases out of the cylinder and into the exhaust system. This cycle then repeats, enabling your car to move. The spark plug and the fuel delivery system are crucial to the engine's operation. The spark plug ignites the air-fuel mixture, while the fuel delivery system, be it a carburetor or fuel injection system, ensures the right mixture of air and fuel enters the cylinder. So there you have it, the intricate ballet of the internal combustion engine. A harmony of combustion and reciprocation, a dance of pistons and valves, all orchestrated by the four-stroke cycle. This marvel of engineering, this heart of your car, is what makes it more than just a machine. It's what makes it move, and it's what drives us forward.